challenge. I accept this challenge, and I now challenge every single house guest who has ever played this game to do the same. Let's do this. Who's got the bucket? Ladies and gentlemen, Will Arnett from the hit singing song The Millers.
I gotta say, I don't think this is a good idea to do this to the boss's wife, but I'm gonna do it.
You are a brave man. Let's get on in here. We've got an apple box for you. From outside the Big Brother house, I'm Julie Chen. Good night.